How to get a Sinnoh stone in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Westnath and today I'll guide you on how you can get a Sinnoh stone in Pokemon Go. Now, the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. There are 4 different ways to get a Sinnoh stone in Pokemon Go. Now, first thing is to earn a research breakthrough by completing 7 field research tasks that you'll get in the game. The other way is to defeat a Team Go rocket leader. As you know, Team Go appears here and there on the game, so you have to defeat it until you get to the leader, and then you'll have to defeat the leader and you'll have the chance to get the Sinnoh stone. Similarly, the other way is to battle the PvP against other trainers. You want to take 1v1 battles against other trainers and win it, and you'll have the chance of getting the Sinnoh stone. The last way is to earn a mystery item in the Go Battle League, and from mystery item you might be able to receive the Sinnoh stone. However, on all these 4, the first and the only method, that is the confirmed method to get a Sinnoh stone, is to earn it through the research breakthrough by completing 7 field research tasks. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.